Hey guys, welcome back to another video and a very late monthly manicure. I'm going to be sharing with you manicures I wore through the spring and a little bit into summertime as well. I didn't make a monthly mani video for each of these months just because I didn't wear as much as I thought I would, so I wanted to group this into one big video for you guys. Now, I'm only doing from April to June because July and August I wore manicures all over the place. I don't exactly remember which order I wore them in. So until I can get that straightened out, I'm just going to do spring manis and a little bit into summer, as I'm going to be showing you June as well. Now for the month of April, I thought I would start out strong, but I did get through about 8 of them. So, but I have been getting through a lot of more of my untrieds than I thought I would this year, so this is great. And mostly because I did like a lot of the polishes I was wearing during the springtime, so I did wear them a bit longer, and that's why I didn't wear as much. You know, when I love a polish on my nails and don't want to take it off, I just want to enjoy it for what it is and not rush to the next one so quickly, you know, because I like enjoying my polishes. So let's just get into these monthly manicures. The first one I did wear is a solar polish, and this is from MJ Lacquer. I did show you guys this in a video review I did do for these polishes, but this is so beautiful. I thought it was so unique. This is one of the most unique polishes I've ever worn on my nails color wise. So and not in direct sunlight, it is this beautiful like slime green color, and in direct sunlight it changes into this reddish brown color. Really interesting, like swampy green solar polish. Solar polishes are super cool. I do like them, but I'm assuming the pigment does die just like thermal, so I try to enjoy them as much as I can. And now that my nails have decided to finally show up and grow, I can enjoy them even more. Well, not so much now that we're heading into fall because we're getting less sun now, but you know, when the time comes, we do get a little sun in winter, but not as much, you know. But with temperature wise, I'm sure it'll change as well. So that was highly favored. Next one up was another solar. I enjoyed these solars, not just because I got them in PR, but because they're really pretty. This is called Grateful Heart, and when it's not in direct sunlight, it's this beautiful, like peachy, like light no, I don't want to say it's pastel, but it's like a peachy pink color. And then when it's in direct sunlight, it turns into this magenta fuchsia gorgeousness, and those flakies, those yellow flakies just glow from within. I definitely have to try this one matte because I think those yellow flakies contrasting with that magenta base when it is in direct sunlight is so beautiful. So I really enjoyed these solar polishes, and I do have a few more to try, so I'm excited about that. So that was Grateful Heart. Next one up I did wear is from Cuticula. I did get this in Polish Pickup in April 2021, and this was inspired by Game Boys. This is called Playing Games. Now, I had such FOMO when I missed out on Dreams Take Flight, which I do have in my collection now, but I was like, I need a Cuticula polish just to get that itch gone. I need it. And I got this one, not because of that, because I did like the mix of glitters in here. Those black matte glitters, they're beautiful. I love the color combination here. It's gorgeous, and it does remind you of those teal, the color Game Boys. It's so cool. So I really enjoyed this one. I think the mix and glitters in there are so fun, as I mentioned. The silver, it looks very like, this like kind of looks like punkish, like a very punk polish. Kind of matches my dress too. Maybe I'll wear it with this again. I like that. So that was Cuticula's Playing Games. Next up, I did wear my first ever Enchanted polish. This is called Pursuit of Happiness, and I love this one. It is so beautiful. It's that blurple, it's not more of a blurple. This, just look at it. It has just so much going on here. Look at the shifts in there. This is just the purple in there, and then the blue. Like, this polish is pretty awesome. I did wear this for like 10 days. I loved it. The quality of Enchanted polishes are really good. If I ever find them in D-stashes, I will be picking them up lickety split. So this one was really pretty, and I knew it was gonna look gorgeous on nails just looking at it in the bottle. The shifts in here are incredible, and yeah, I really like that, especially there. I love that right there. It's very vampy, very fall. Even though I did wear it in spring, I just wanted to get it on my nails because yeah, sometimes I'm a seasonal wear, sometimes I'm not. Depends on my mood. So yeah, this one is very pretty and definitely a top favorite that I wore in April. Next up is China Glaze's Splish Splash. Did pick this on my mermaid rack video. Won't harp on this one too much, but I did love it. It reminds me of the bottom of a pool. It is very saturated and very deep. I didn't think it would be looking at it in the bottle. I thought it would be a bit watery and not be so you know, like rich on my nails, but it really was. I really enjoyed this one. Formula was great. Staying power was nice. For China Glaze polishes, it's a hit or miss, and this was a hit. So really liked it, and definitely gonna wear it again sometime soon. So that was China Glaze's Splish Splash. Next up, I wanted something a bit more, you know, periwinkle, which is the Pantone color of this year. So I did put that on that rack of that video that I did for Pantone picks for the year. But this one is ILNP's Dusk Till Dawn, and I love pink and blue together. And this is kind of like an orangey pink shimmer in there, along with those hollow sparkles in there. This was a win. This has a lot of different colors in here. It's beautiful. As usual, ILNP lasted so well on my nails. I like to do them in 3 thin coats to really get the color on the nails. So really enjoyed this one, and it was a really nice pick. So that was Dusk Till Dawn. The last polish I wore in April was definitely a favorite. This is Cupcake Polish's Lilac Skies. This looked fantastic. really enjoyed this one. Again, it's that pink and blue mixed together, but it's more like a lilac pink, so there's a lot of purple in there too. The shimmer is outstanding, as well as those holographic sparkles. This one was definite win, and it's pretty sheer, so but it does build up really nicely in 2 coats, but it is really sheer on the second coat, so I thought I would need 3, but I definitely didn't. But it could be used as a topper as well, because it is so sheer. So it's a double polish, and you know, I love that. And I do really like Cupcake polishes. Their formulas are pretty fantastic. So yeah, that was Cupcake Polish Lilac Skies. Heading into May, I did do a polish comparison of names in my collection, so I did end up wearing these 2. This one is from Revlon. It is called Cat Nap. It is super pretty. It does dry matte. It was part of their Velvet Velour nail polish collection. I really hope they do add more colors, because I know I talk about it so much, but I really did like that collection, even though it's all matte. But I really did enjoy this one, and to compare it, I did wear Starry's Catnip just to compare the names. If you guys haven't seen that video, I'll link it up there. But really pretty. I loved both of these for spring, because we weren't necessarily in summer yet. It was in June, so I really like this has a push into spring, especially this one. Like the shimmer in there is very nice against that sea foam base. Really enjoyed this one. It is gorgeous. So that was Catnap and Catnip. Next up, I wore a bit of a darker color, but this is one polish that I really wanted to try. This is Lollipop Lacquer Posse's, also known as Garden Path Lacquer now. This is called Relentless, and this had come out in PPU December 2020. Ooh, you guys, this looks fantastic. The shifts in here, oh come on, man. Oh, I'm starting to think that shifties are maybe my favorite instead of flakies. Nah. But this one has both. It's a flaky and a shimmer, so many colors. There's definitely a rainbow in here. Now the rainbow does come out more prominently in the bottle, but sorry, someone decided to mow their lawn. But as I was saying, this one is very pretty. The rainbow does come up more in the bottle than it does on the nails, but I still really like it, and I am going to keep it in my collection because I need to try it matte. Really do, but oh, really nice. So that was Garden Path Lacquers. Sorry, that was Lollipop Posse Lacquers Relentless, also known as Garden Path now. Next up is a favorite that I did wear. This is Fancy Gloss's Cranberry Splash. Ooh, this one was hot on the nails. So nice. I'm definitely going to wear this again for Valentine's Day or something. It is really pretty. And I did get this in lieu of not getting Polish for Days. Seeing is Believing, and that is one of my lemmings from PPU. This one was so nice. And now that I have it, I'm really not missing Seeing is Believing anymore as much. could be lying, but I don't know. I'll still get it if I ever get my hands on it. Fancy Glass has a great formula, solid brand, and easy on the wallet as well. I found like polishes are pretty cheap. The shipping always kills me with the exchange, but I find the polishes are fairly priced and they are beautiful. Really nice, this one. So that was Fancy Glass's Cranberry Splash. Next one up is from MJ Lacquer, and MJ Lacquer makes the best Crellies I have ever used. Oh, so beautiful. This one's called Summer Blessings, and it is a bit of an off-white base with those beautiful pink glitters and that dash of Aurora shimmer. Janet, I love when she adds Aurora shimmer and eye polish. It's just a standout. This was gorgeous, you guys. It was absolute, and it has a bit of a blue shimmer in there, so contrasting against the off-white base, this is gorgeous. Really nice for that push into summer for that white Crelly. I love how white Crellies look on my nails. They just make my nails pop. I really like them. And this one, the glitters in there just beamed. You could just see them there. It's like dancing, kind of like pink embers on your nails. Really enjoyed this one. And yeah, if you guys like white Crellies or Crellies in general, definitely check out MJ Lacquer because they are beautiful. So that was Summer Blessings. Moving into June, first day of June was National Nail Polish Day, and it was the first day of June, and basically the first day of June is basically the first day of summer for me. So I did wear Aretha from Wildflower Lacquer, and I loved this one. I thought it was so pretty. I'm gonna have to wear a blurring line base coat because it did show my nail line in 3 coats, but I absolutely love this yellow flaky. I don't have any yellow flakies in my collection, so this one I did enjoy, and I like to wear yellow a lot throughout June because it is my favorite color and it's my birthday month. So yeah, I just like to wear yellow throughout that month. It's just such a happy, vibrant color, and it is my favorite color. So yeah, this one is just a win on all fronts. I really love it. So that was Wildflower Lacquer's Aretha. Next 3 are all mermaid polishes that you guys all seen. So this is Polish for Days Under the Sea. Definitely one of my favorites I've worn this year. I can't believe it took me this long to try, but this definitely looks like a blue underwater coral reef on your nails. That there's a bit of a green, a glow in there that comes out with the flakies too. Outstanding polish. Polish for Days is definitely one of my favorite indie brands. So such unique finishes for flakies. They're my favorite brand for flakies. So yeah, this one is definitely just a favorite, so won't harp on it too much because I have mentioned it. So that's Polish for Days Under the Sea. Next up was definitely a favorite for me. This is ILNP's Blue Lagoon. This was outstanding. Oh my goodness, the staying power on this was excellent. Definitely wore this for over a week. Loved it so much and got tons and tons of compliments. So the only thing that I will say is that that teal base definitely comes out more than that. I will say that. So if you're looking for it to be this color, it'll be more of that color. But either way, it's very pretty and I'm so happy to have it in my collection. So that was ILNP's Blue Lagoon. Next up is H&M's Moonchild, which is the last mermaid polish that I did wear for the month of June. So gorgeous. H&M has some solid polishes, and that's a review coming your guys' way. But this one I absolutely loved. There's a strong purple shimmer in there too. This looks really good in 3 coats as well. I think on my swatch picture there's 2, but I did try it later with 3, and it is very gorgeous. H&M, their polishes will surprise the heck out of you. So in June, first day of summer, I did wear KB Shimmers The Girl Is Tiki. This is one hollow that I'm going to keep in my collection because it is very prominent. Comes out in not direct sunlight and indirect sunlight. This is it. It's like this pink champagne, like rosé color. Absolutely love it. And it's such a nice, like splashy, warm welcome into summer. I loved this a lot and did get a lot of compliments on it as well. I think this would really be fun to explore with some toppers too. So I'll definitely have to do that next summer or whenever I feel like it. So that was KB Shimmers The Girl Is Tiki. And last polish I did, where I know I showed you guys these on my summer racks, but here it is. This is Ard As Nails To Trot. Such a gorgeous bubblegum pink. Now that my nails are kind of a bit longer, I might try this because I did try it when my nails are super short. And I couldn't get a lot of the blue flakies out, but I really love blue flakies and polishes. I want an indie brand to come out with like all Crellies and like these blue metallic flakies. so pretty. So this one I think was like a nice kind of, you know, ending to June and a nice welcome into July. So yeah, that was Ard As Nails Hot to Trot. All right, guys, that was all my spring manis that I wore from April to June. So once I get my the order, I wore all the polishes in July and August. I'll be showing you guys those as well. But thank you so much for staying and hanging out with me. If you did, I hope, let me know which manicure was your favorite, which polish was your favorite. I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care.